Here at Brigham Young University, Idaho will be heading to Washington, D.C. with his professor this week to advocate for more federal funding for undergraduate research. Local News 8's Tadevik Kaprikian met with them today. And Tadevik, why the push to fund undergraduate research?
Well, Jay, there's a lot of funding for graduate research, but not so much at the undergrad level. The student that'll be going to D.C. is Paul Powell, and he's been doing research for 3 years at the undergrad level and even has his work published. That's pretty impressive. So now he hopes to head to present in Washington, D.C. and hopes to encourage lawmakers that undergraduate research is a valuable place to invest.
This was the glycine solution, right?
These students in the chemistry department at BYU Idaho are undergraduate researchers.
Yeah, I feel really lucky to have a chance to be involved in all this.
Senior Paul Powell wanted to go to med school, but chemistry class changed all of that.
A lot of people say the reason they don't like chemistry is because of all these rules and random equations they have to memorize, and it's so rigid. But when you actually get into research, there's so much freedom, and that's what makes it so exciting.
The research here is not exactly revolutionary.
It's definitely novel and meaningful in the scientific community.
The group is using a combination of techniques to separate chemical mixtures to better understand what's in them.
Chromatography is one type, electrophoresis is another type, and we'll run them at the same time.
Traditional separation, the chromatography, produces images like these, where the colors are stacked. Adding the electric separation to this technique, you can see the horizontal display and more colors.
It's a faster, more efficient, and easier way to get the full picture of what our mixture was.
Their ability to understand science is greatly expanded because instead of being told how science works, they discover how science works.
Yeah, I'm going to stick with chemistry.
Powell plans to head right into a PhD program after he finishes his bachelor's. In the studio tonight, I'm Tadevik Kaprikian.
All right, fascinating, Tadevik. Thank you. They'll be presenting their work at the Posters on the Hill conference. The group says by representing Idaho and the university, they hope their work will continue to promote teaching through research.